our friend, our friend has a dream to have a partner in other country. So thank you for letting his dream come true just in a few hours. Honor to meet Mrs. Kojak, your boyfriend. Kojak, this is Mama Ana, your girlfriend for a day. Yeah.
How much? Ay, ano? How much your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hara. Audience.
Gusto ko, parang gusto ko din.
Gusto mo?
Love. Love, may ano pala dito, meron palang rent a girlfriend dito. Pwede ba akong mag-rent a girlfriend?
Gago ka.
No, love. Merong ano dito, rent a girlfriend. Pwede ba ako mag-rent a girlfriend? Holding hands lang naman eh.
Pwede, doon ka rin matutulog sa labas.
Meron kasing ano dito, rent a girlfriend. Pwede ba ako mag-rent a girlfriend?
Okay.
Ha?
Hindi pwede.
Ay, hindi pwede.
Oh.
Dulo ko ata. Oh, my friend! My friend! Oh, my friend! What's your problem, my friend? What do you want to do? You like me? I like you too!
Ice cream.
Okay, let's go! My love so sweet and very, 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 very so I love you!
I love you.
I love you too! Oh, Mickey! Oh my God!
Yeah.
Kiki, you love me!